all of this for a freaking $20 piece of crap. Saw. That's good, OJ.
Everything needs lube on here.
Dude, like somebody had this thing sitting in freaking New Orleans or something.
Right? Like right on the beach coastline?
Yeah. That's crap, dude. Anytime you get stuff that's like rusted, I'm like, we don't have this in Arizona.
Yeah, where did you come from?
Where did you come from? Are you an illegal? Because you're not from these parts, are you?
You got rust on you.
Freaking tow meter. Should do this while it's plugged in. So that should come off now.
Should.
Oh, it's gonna have all that other stuff holding it. This is all mounted to that top plate. This is all mounted to here. See? So this, to get this box off, you gotta take off this power box here. You gotta take off all of this here. Well, there now, alrighty.
Something came apart.
Something finally came off. We did something halfway right. Just take a Sawzall.
Right. Motor.
What's all this then? Does that go through? Oh, it does. Look at that. Huh. And this whole thing apart. Before we know it. Oh, my drill's not good enough for you?
No, it's just
You got baby Phillips. I like it.
They get in there.
Baby Phillips. Do, 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 do. I like that cabinet screw. It's a good thing I got like 1,200 magnetic bowls in the shop, so I don't use any of them. What a poor...
See, it bites. It doesn't bite. Bites, it doesn't bite. Like, so when you can't rotate it, just push the button.
Well, I mean...
The extendo. Hey, hey. Opa.
Opa! Did all that without dropping a screw, too. How about that? Now what? Oh my goodness, look at that freaking bolt holding, or that nut holding the saw on there. And then this is just held up right here. So it's almost like I need to adjust the angle.
Oh yeah. Let's break out the Milwaukee then, bud.
See if the milk crappie will do it.
Doing something.
Okay.
Ah! Somebody worked on this. But not quite enough.
Well, it seems like some screws might have been changed. What if we just took all that off of there? Awesome. Before you know it, we're gonna have every screw out of this thing. I have an idea.
What's your idea?
Pull that Allen right there and see if this collar will slip off, and then that all thread will just fall right through.
Allen.
Take off Allen, Fred, John, whatever his name is. Get rid of it.
Who's Alan? Why is he there?
Who's Allen?
Why is he here?
Dang it, Allen, you're causing problems.
I think so, there, bud.
I think so. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Manufactured in Chickadee, China. China. Hey, Phil. Oh, that doesn't go.
Huh? Oh, yes.
That helps.
Does the whole thing lift off now?
Well, you got to get it out past all this crap.
It's up there now, right? There you go. Try getting it back in there is going to be a time.
It's going to be fun. Oh, that's all still kind of connected. That's all still kind of connected.
Now you got a skill saw.
Yay! Plug it in. Well, there's your problem. I mean, that blade's got to be changed anyways.
Yeah, it still runs, but I mean, eventually, yeah.
The back unit. She's not feeling good today.
Well, it is on a forklift, so you could lift it up.
I could. I definitely could. I could bring the work table up. But that would be intelligent. I never claimed to be intelligent. I may be smart, but I'm not intelligent. I'm about to hold this blade with my hand while we hammer on it with a socket.
Jeez.
Metrics.
Jeez.
Probably could just carry this whole assembly in there and find the socket that fits too. It's not like it's a car engine or something. It's a lightweight piece of crap motor. Electric model. Put a lot of work into something here that may be entirely pointless. And that's how you do that. Just pin the blade against the housing.
Oh yeah, like butter there, eh?
Oh, look. Look what she's doing now there, bud.
What's she doing there?
Nothing. Perfect. She's doing nothing. Okay, so now, look at that toolkit.
Hey, you get a metal cutoff wheel and you put it on here.
Yes.
I don't know how I'd feel about a metal table saw.
Here we go again. Feel like I'm working on another car. I need 25,000 tools to get the simplest things done.
It's gonna help much, but we can try.
It ain't gonna do nothing. How about that one?
Oh yeah. You got a 1/4-inch drive there, bud?
Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Just gotta take everything apart to get to the simplest things on this. It's just insane.
Oh, did you get it there, bud?
Well, I got the one thing off that I needed off and out of the way. I hope you remember how this goes back together. Just gotta clean those threads real good.
Oh yeah, look at that thing there, bud.
Oh!
It's getting tight again there, folks.
Okay, hold on. Get your safety squints.
They should pound out of there, shouldn't it?
Should. Will it go back the other way?
Oh yeah. Don't you know if you know, you know?
Don't you freaking know they're... Ha 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 ha.
It's like one of those ones that comes out of the engine and hits the
Yeah, but it should be out far enough to pull that out. There we go. It's like just enough to make it all bind.
It's so interesting. It's not centered. The motor's not centered to the
that we could be using right now. Good thing you moved your nets.
Oh, very nice. Told you. Perfect. It's the same. Yeah, oh yeah, look at that, ain't doing nothing. Got freckles.
It ain't perfect, but it's good enough. Got all the rusticles off of it. Still some rough stuff. If it won't slide right, we'll come back and maybe put it on one of the sanders real quick to get some of the rough spots off, but I think with a little bit of lubrication, she might do it. It seems to be doing what it's supposed to do.
I'll probably put some red grease on it.
Now we gotta get this out.
You
Or
want
do
to
we feel good? Or we feel good with that being clean enough?
I mean, it's always best to clean it, right? You don't want to. Slam.
I can clean all that up real quick. Get that moving nice.
Get her moving nice there, eh? Sand them, clean them, lube them. That ain't right. That's a thing. Yeah, this one's a gritty one. She's gone. Okay. Crazy the small guys.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Ones that love to line up.
Oh, it just doesn't matter. Just line up the holes. Oh, now you did it. Nothing quite like a rusty screw. I think you just need to do this like
handle and the ghetto screw.
ghetto screw.
Ghetto screw.
Well, just don't adjust it up.
I think
How much is a new saw? The amount of hours we're putting into this thing.
$100 brand new.
You know what would help this a ton, bro? Like a carburetor return spring. I mean, I just want to find a spot to hook this just to try it, you know? Just hook. Dang it.
Holes go all the way
There
through.
you go. There, just do that. Now bring it down.
Just gonna bind down. There she go.
Now it's going to bind going down because of the spring. Now these pins just need to be polished, dude. They're just...
I think that's what it is. You polishing?
Yeah, it's just binding on all that.
Polishing. Polisher.
I don't have a polisher. Okay, so if you want to adjust it, you gotta take the spring off.
Well, you'll have that fin there too. So I mean, if you need to just push her on it, but
more than it was doing. Alright, well, let's just put it together. Come over it.
Together, together.
Put a spring going up and down.
It just doesn't move at all.
Yeah.
Stays in the middle.
It almost seems like if you had a tension spring going up and down, dude, like it would help. It's just, I think this pin is just worn. Oh, we can't forget the most important part.
What, the ghetto screw?
The screw. The screw. You must have the screw.
Freaking thing.
You're a freaking thing.
Got enough screws in it, right?
Oh, come on now, don't go short circuiting now.
Got enough screws in her there, right?
You got enough screws.
2 extra is a good thing. Off.
Well, now it's going down. Now you can do some gravities.
Oh, gravity's there, eh?
Flush the shield, don't I?
Yeah. It's just a shield. Nobody needs that anyways. Shields are
Unless you're
overrated.
at night.
Just like I said, you always gotta do your safety squints. Right, Joy?
I think it's required by OSHA. The nights will have shields.
We are the knights who say me.
Oh, I forgot those. Oh no, it's never gonna work again.
Oh no! There's 2 little star washers that forgot to get put in. What shall we ever do? Oh, look at this, it comes with all the ranches.
Some hidden valleys.
And then like a stripped out screw over here.
Oh yeah. It's that stripped out screw that makes it all worth it.
Did you get it?
You're popping it? You putting the legs out?
I mean, I don't know.
Smack me in
And then yet.
the
Are we ready?
here, I'll just
Well, we don't want to get that guard. There we go. Something ain't right there, bud.
What, the angle?
Angle of the dangle.
You want to just shove this on there for now?
Oh, we can do whatever you want to do. I'm sure I have more blades somewhere.
Wonderful. Still that one siding. Fork and behind it. Shing. Once or twice it slips on it, it's like worse than automotive. You really start contemplating what you're doing after that.
Yeah. Just question every decision you ever make in life.
Yep.
This seems like it should be it, dude.
Yeah, let me hear before I get off the phone with you.
That's gonna be fun. That's good, OJ. It also doesn't help that this table's sitting at a freaking wicked angle and all this other stuff's happening right now. I'm not quite too certain what adjustments I need to make for all that, but that's okay. I'm sure if I clip on that, it'll just go flying down on my hands. But I mean, that's really not bad considering it wasn't moving at all. To now it's moving, sort of, with 50,000 roll pins and all this stuff in the way. This is why you have stuff like this, you know? Why do you need a roll pin kit for precisely this situation? Precisely this situation. Doing anymore. Then we're gonna see if we lose an eye or something. it works. It's gonna go down just fine. It's the coming up that's gonna have a little bit of a struggle bus. Then we gotta set the 0 on this.
Little one. Right there.
Yep.
Perfect.
So we just need a handle for that side.
Mm-hmm.
Because that hurts the finners.
What? It's got threads on it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like a skateboard wheel or something.
A skateboard wheel has bearings in the middle of it. You're just gonna spin the skateboard wheel, weld the bearings.
Yeah, weld the bearings. There you go. Handle for something?
Guy says a skateboard wheel. I'll just use a Jeep tire.
Get an adapter for an oil filter. Some red Loctite.
All right, that's at 0. Really? Nope, that's not it.
Is there adjustment to that side? Like, can you? No, it's welded on. Well, it's so that way when you put it here and your wood goes downhill.
Oh, gotcha. That makes sense.
The gravity thing.
Pile of crap. Piece of crap. Well, that's how you sort of fix a table saw. The project of the day. Dude, it just needs to be lubed and it'll work fine. So we disassemble the whole forking thing. Whatever. That was fun. Yay. Now on to the next thing. Well, we have...
Hey, you can cut wood.
I can cut wood at an angle.
At an angle.
I have a brand newish Porter cable,
Patina.
Chinese patinaed table saw. That works a lot better than the other one that I have, because I don't have one. So it definitely works better than that one. That's all I can say. But yeah, kind of unplanned little adventure
And it was.
of pulling that apart, and it was fun. It was what? All right, I'm done. I don't even know where I'm gonna put this piece of crap. This freaking turd box needs to come apart. Where's your valve cover? Found it. I think this only needs 3 bolts. I think there's only 3 bolts and this whole thing comes apart, dude.
3 bolts?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's easy enough. 3 bolts here, and then 3 more right there, and then 3 back there, and then 3 over there, and then 3 down there, and then like 3 here, and 3 there, and 3 there. And it all happens in 3s, or 4s, or 12s. But at least we got a sensor for the hood. Procrastination.